Spritesheets make it easy to use short, repeating animations in your ads. This video will demonstrate how to use Spritesheets to create a confetti animation. When working with Spritesheets, it's important to ensure that each frame is the same dimension and make sure you take note of the frame width. The maximum width Creative Studio allows for images is 2400 pixels, so keep this in mind when creating your Spritesheet. Step 1. Importing the Spritesheet. Import the Spritesheet as a photo in the Asset panel, then add the photo to the stage. Resize the image to the desired height using the Properties panel. It's important to size the image correctly now because once it's transformed into a Spritesheet, it will not be possible to resize it. Step 2. Spritesheet transformation. Once you have the image correctly sized, click on the three dots on the right of the image name in the Layers panel to pull up the More Options menu. Select Create Spritesheet. In the dialog box, set the slice width to the width of the frames in the Spritesheet at its current size. Duration refers to the time it will take to play through all of the frames, so decreasing the duration will make the animation faster. Loop is the number of times the animation will repeat, so if you want a continuous animation, enter a higher value. Checking the yo-yo box will cause the animation to play through forwards, then backwards. Step 3. Animating the Spritesheet. To make the confetti appear to be falling, we will add additional animation with the timeline. Select an ad size and open the timeline. Find the Spritesheet layer, which is now a symbol. Add position and rotation animation. Step 4. Duplicate. Duplicate the Spritesheet symbol layer and adjust each layer so there are multiple staggered falling confetti pieces. Add additional Spritesheets to create multicolored confetti. Once the animation looks satisfactory, select all of the confetti pieces in the Layers panel and make them into a symbol by clicking on the symbol icon. The entire animation can now be copied and pasted as needed to other ad sizes or duplicated and repeated in the timeline.